saying.
No, after the case start in like 2 years, maybe.
Yes. So I'll be correct to say you left Nigeria because you were wanted. The police were looking for you.
No.
Yes.
But you were aware that the police were looking for you, both Interpol and Nigerian police.
No.
Yes.
I want to show you some letters, some invitations from police, petitions against you,
Okay.
both at Interpol and Nigerian police, and also a petition that they wrote against you.
Okay.
Show him this letters. It's not for you now. Let him see first. Let him see first. I'm not tendering you. Why are you? Calm down. Behave yourself. We're not on time for you today.
Sammy, can you see these documents?
I cannot read it. I can see just original because it's not.
Can you
sorry.
confirm whether your names are on those documents? That's all.
Where's my name? Because I cannot read it well. Sorry, it's not too clear.
They were not pleaded?
Because the cam is not too clear. I can see.
You can see this one?
I can read Office of what? Of the Inspector General of Police. This is only because it's in big line.
Okay.
But after is not clear. It's showing from up in Arabic, is written sentence, but then the small one is not clear. And just the police, my lord, never contact me or invite me.
Did you plead all this? Were they pleaded?
My lord, it became an issue when he raised it under cross-examination. Please, can you calm down, please? Can you calm down, please? I can see you are chatting, sending messages to somebody on the phone, which is not appropriate. You can't be chatting when trial is going. You can't. You can't. You don't know whether you're telling him what to say. You should understand. My lord, counsel cannot be chatting.
Do you know that both of you are standing up at the same time? It is not acceptable.
We're very sorry, sir, my lord.
Please.
I'm just trying to make the point that this is a virtual hearing. My learned friend cannot be chatting on his phone, whether he's chatting to somebody else, is not appropriate. That's my observation. It could be assumed that he's chatting with the witness. It's not proper. In court. I'm not allowed to. In court.
Well, let's rely on the inbuilt integrity of lawyers. Because if you're trying to tell the witness what to do, that is very much. Okay.
Come to that concept. Well, I was saying that under cross-examination, he asked the claimant's witness whether this allegation of theft of secret information from the claimant were reported It's on the absolute record. He was the one that brought it in. And the witness responded that yes, there was a report. And he
Okay.
confirmed that yes, there's something like that. He confirmed to me if he can be honest enough. He brought in the
Okay.
issue.
Which one is that dated when? I think the best we can do in this at this time is to maybe read out the headings to him.
As a
He said
copy,
he's not seen them, they're so tiny.
I even wanted to just confirm if his names are there. That's all. You just to show that yes, there were reports. Nothing more than that.
So Mr. Sami,
Yes, my lord.
listen,
Yes.
there's this one, there are many documents here.
Okay.
The document dated the 10th of the 27th day of April.
Okay.
Yes. I'm going to read out the headings.
Please.
Petition against Mr. Sami Yakub and Matrix Global Trading and Sourcing Limited for theft of heavy machinery dealership, limited trade secrets, fraudulent transactions, and other related infractions and violation of visa entry conditions. That is the first document.
Okay, madam.
The second one says, the second one that is dated the 15th day of June, 2021, is from the Office of the Inspector General of Police. It was addressed to the Deputy Inspector General of Police. Okay, that's where it came from. And the title is Petition Against Sami Yakub and Matrix Global Trading and Sourcing Limited for theft of heavy machinery dealership limited trade secrets
Okay.
and fraudulent, etc. That one.
Okay.
Then the next one is from the office from the Judicial and Technical Translation Center.
Okay.
It's written in Arabic.
Okay.
Then it is titled Application for Attestation and True Copy of a Complaint for the attention of the investigative judge in Beirut. That is President Assad Bayram. Are you aware of this one?
Sorry, my lord, but I cannot confirm the document as the document I never sent to me, and as
Okay.
the police
No,
never contact me or invite me.
I just said application for attestation and true copy of complaint. The plaintiff is HMD Africa Sal Offshore, and the defendant is Sami Yakub. And the attorney for the plaintiff is Abdul Wusub. Are you aware of this one?
No.
Let us speak. Let us speak now.
He's aware of this too.
Let us speak.
He says so.
Let us speak. I want to tell him what you think.
I wouldn't have gone on with this one. This one is also the same thing. From it's written in Arabic, dated October 4th, 2021. Well, I
Yes,
don't know what council
just to show
intends to do
that
with this.
there were reports made to security agencies in respect of the complaint by the claimant, because he was the one that asked questions under examination. That is the proof we are bringing in. Can you calm down? Please, I'm talking, please.
Yes.
Please, I'm on my feet, please. Objection to what? Not now. Calm down.
Let us hear what he has to say. What objection?
I wish to know that these documents were not clear. And the witness cannot be in a position to confirm these documents because he will not even be in a position to know whether they are authentic whether they are verifiable.
Leave that to the court. Leave that to the court.
Well, if it was not pleaded, how can you tender it?
My lord, the law under the relevant laws, my lord, it can be tendered, my lord, because he elicited that information under cross-examination. He was the one that requested for proof that whether the matter was reported or not, because we pleaded that the cases were reported, and he now said, "Did you report it to anybody?" And the client said, the witness said yes. Is there any document? The witness said yes. Even though they were not formulated, my lord, they are relevant.
They
He
were
was
not,
one that asked,
they were not pleaded, they were not front-loaded.
but they are relevant, my lord. Relevancy is the key word here, my lord.
Then we are admit it.
Even as identification, my lord, to solve the purpose.
What I'm saying is,
For purposes of identification, sir.
witness cannot identify the documents. If he wants to tender it, he could have done the right thing at the appropriate stage to prove that indeed he made a report. I asked if he had alluded in his facts. Did you say he reported him?
Pleading, that's pleading.
And that they declared him wanted.
That's pleading.
So if he wants to prove his case, he knows what to do. He can't do it through my witness. Because my client's case is that he doesn't know anything of all of this situation.
Even though it wasn't pleaded, if he knows about it, that's a different catalog.
He has told the court that we said we pleaded it. He has just said in my law that we pleaded it.
But he said
Yes.
he has seen it. When I read it out, he said yes, he has said what I read. Or do we now find out whether he's aware of this?
I think that's vital.
Mr. Sami,
Yes, my lord.
are you aware of these documents that I read out to you?
As I said, my lord, nobody contacted me or invited me, either police or Interpol. Nobody.
Yes, my lord. We would like to tender the evidence.
On what basis now?
For purpose of identification, my lord, just to show that there were reports. We are not attaching any. My lord, it goes to the weight. But he brought the issue up, and we needed to support our case by presenting this document.
But you are
Through his own witness.
You are the defense.
Yes, no, claimant, my lord.
You are for the claimant.
Yes, my lord. But under cross-examination, he was one that requested for this document.
I didn't request for any document. This is, my lord, he has raised certain facts. And your facts will go to nothing if you don't have documents or evidence to prove your case. My witness has just said he doesn't know anything of this document. So how can you lay foundation to tender the document through my witness?
Counsel, can you, in your recordings, identify where he said something like that?
My lord, it's under cross-examination, we are bound by a lordship's record, where he asked the claimant's witness whether these allegations of theft of trade secrets were reported. The witness is here, he is there, he knows what he said.
Yes.
It's no issue of repeating, it's on record already.
In fact, these are facts in issue. I'm saying that these documents has no basis to be tendered through my witness. Because he has said he cannot identify the document, he cannot guarantee the authenticity of the document.
He didn't say that. Don't put what it is now. He didn't say that. He said he's not aware. Don't bring issue of authenticity. He said he's not aware of the invitations.
It's my objection. And if this document is going to be, I have the opportunity to formalize my objection.
You address
There's no way for which the document should be tendered through my witness.
Hello, we can address your lordship on that.
Yes. We can keep this. I'm looking at his the cross-examination. I'm trying to see whether this the matter of these documents came up. It said in paragraph 11 I mentioned, I said I contacted Google and that showed the first defendant stole trade secrets. I am not sure the document is before the court, but that was the top management that contacted Google. Upon finding out what sensitive dates the first defendant stole, he was contacted, but he denied it. The first defendant said that the date stolen was actionable, that the word stolen was actionable. He denied stealing. He said what he took was not actionable document. Exhibit 7 was where the claimant admitted he took documents that were not sensitive data. He said, I do not know if it is before this court that Tractor is a well-known body with our company. The first defendant offered to sell Bemak parts to Tractor. I do not know if it was not accepted. I am not aware that the second defendant has been supplying something part to Tractor. I know that HMD was the exclusive disk of certain parts, a distributor of certain parts, yes. Stealing is a crime and there must be a fact-finding issue by police, etc. It was reported by the police. I am not sure that it is before this court. He was nowhere to be found as at that time. I know that the police was looking for him. Okay, it's not Sonny that is talking here. Who was speaking here?
It's the claimant's witness, my lord.
Okay.
Under cross-examination.
Under cross-examination.
Yes, my lord.
Mhm.
That's why we brought those
I do
documents.
not know if they saw him because it is different from this. I do not know if any court has pronounced him guilty of the crime as alleged. We suffered loss over the offer made by to Tractor. I see these documents, the letter of no objection. It is our documents. Council sought to tell me. Yes, yes.
I regard my right to have an objection noted.
Yes.
Based on the fact that there is no basic document and that claim and witness.
Mm.
I'm not discussing that a fact in issue.
Yes.
But there's no basic, because if you tell that it's my witness, that is an entirely different situation. And that is my difference from, let's say, the need documents, it was indeed invited, that those are issues. So that is the point I'm trying to make now.
Okay. Council, can we defend it?
My lord, it's for us to address it and address it.
Okay.
Yes, my lord.
Yes.
Address,
Then
my
let
lord.
us just go on.
As God, please.
Yes. Because now he's saying he's not seeing it well, and he's not aware that there was something against him and all that. Maybe you do that at the
Yes, my lord.
address
But
table.
let's put it in issue. That's why we brought it up.
Yes.
Very good, man. Mr. Sammy, can you
Yes,
tell
sir.
us where you're working now? Are you working? Where are you working now?
For now, as I said, I'm in Netherlands for now. And I'm the MD of SBA Construction Nigeria Limited.
In Netherlands, you're not working in Netherlands.
For now, no.
Very good.
No, I didn't get you on that.
I'm in Netherlands now. I'm not working presently.
I heard something like that. So you are not working, you are not doing anything?
For now, no.
Come again. What was?
Sorry, my lord.
You live in the Netherlands now. What do you do there?
I have asylum seeker file.
You do what?
Asylum seeker file as asylum.
Did you get that?
He's
Mr.
looking for asylum in Netherlands as
Okay.
refugee.
Yes.
Yes, Sammy.
Yes, please.
How long did you work with HMD?
Almost 5 years, less a little bit.
5 years.
Yes. Yes.
Yes. Can I have the exhibits?
You mean the
The
papers?
witness terminal or
Okay.
for the witness.
Not this one. You give him back this
The witness terminal.
one.
Hello, I'll very much apply that counsel involved in this matter should keep their phones on the table, not chatting, because I'm becoming suspicious. This is a very, very serious matter. Please. Please. Please.
Maybe acceptable.
Please.
Please. He has made this allegation before, and I let it fly. Because I will take it exception.
My lord, the council decides my learned friend is chatting, and I don't like it. We know how technology works.
Okay.
My lord, I seek the court protection. The way he's not my mate, not even 10 years near me. You should mind the way he talks to me. He's getting out of hand. You
Counsel.
can't address me like that, my lord.
Counsel.
You should mind his language, sir.
Okay. The second now.
Not even 10 years near me.
Let us all maintain decorum here. Mm.
I need to say something. He has made this allegation.
And it's a very serious one, because if it is found out that you are communicating with this, but I'm looking at the man. It's not, I don't think he has his phone even.
The phone is below the table, my lord, and I'm watching what is going on. You should keep it on the table.
Respecting me.
My lord, I know how technology works.
But I can't talk to him anyhow.
A witness can be informed or told what to say at every given time. Because
I know.
I've noticed that he only punches the phone when I ask questions. So I became suspicious. Yes. Please mind your language, please.
But I want,
Mind my language. You mind your language.
My lord,
Mr. Kanya,
pointing
you
finger at
don't do this here, please. Don't do this here in this court.
you're pointing finger at me, my lord.
Can you imagine?
Please try and tame your anger. No. Please. I won't take this. I won't take this.
And you point finger at me in the court? There's seniority at the bar, my lord. You can't do that.
Now,
I've never pointed finger at him
if
as a
you
sin.
cannot control yourself, the court will rise. Honestly. Shall we continue?
Yes, my lord.
He worked at HMB almost 5 years, for almost 5 years. Mr. Sammy, do you have your phone there with you?
Not to switch off.
I'm seeing him. He has no phone. I'm looking at him. He couldn't have been prompted. What is it even that he cannot answer?
And we know how this thing works. Sir.
Okay.
This is very unfair for him to accuse me.
So why do you think I'm trying to smoothen these areas?
Allegations like that. Those are very damning allegations.
They are very serious allegations, which, if it is found to be true, in fact, I will have you reported to the right body. But I cannot possibly think of a counsel prompting his witness at this 21st century. It is not done anymore. Maybe it was done before, And I don't think it is what is happening here, because I am looking at this man.
Even scared of his case. Your case.
I am looking at the man. He's not looking at his phone. He has no phones in his hands.
My lord, if you want, I just can carry my laptop. Just turn it so you see where my phone, if you accept.
What I said, don't make it worse. Okay. Oh, Jesus. Okay. Shall we?
Yes, my lord. Yes. Very grateful. sir.
Mr. Sami, don't look at your phone except it becomes necessary, or your laptop when you want to get the data to answer a question. But as you are now, please answer the question. I don't think there's any question you cannot answer, off head, without looking at your computer, laptop or your phone. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Now, Mr. Sami, you swore to a statement on oath before your lawyer. Did you sign that statement on oath before your lawyer, or you signed it in your office?
Sorry, I didn't understand your question.
Your statement on oath in this case, your witness statement on oath in this case that you signed.
Yeah.
Did you sign it in your office, or you signed it before your lawyer?
Who's my lawyer?
You signed it in your lawyer's office?
Hello?
Do you understand what he's saying?
No.
That statement on oath that you relied on as your evidence in chief, was it signed in your lawyer's office, or was it signed at the registry of the court?
With my lawyer.
Yes.
Your lawyer. Where did you sign it? Was it in your office or your lawyer's office? Please, can you calm down, please? Can you calm down, please? This is very, very important.
Sign document with my lawyer.
No, that's not what I said. Did you sign that document in your office or in your lawyer's office? Simple.
He said you should ask me the proper question. Did you sign the document?
Are you the one that will tell me what to ask?
Office or in court? It's that simple.
Are you the one that will tell me how
That
to
is
control
what
my
I've
case?
just answered now.
Yes, my lord. So he needs to answer.
Are you the one that will tell me what to say?
Let the witness to answer.
Are you the one that will tell me what to say? My friend, sit down.
The lawyer's office. If you sign it in court, you will sign it in court. Simple. Why is this an issue?
I see that we will not complete these proceedings.
Malay, that was a
Because
very, very
the way
important
you are
question.
carrying on is not
It's a
acceptable
very simple,
to me.
straightforward question.
Yes.
And he knows what I'm getting at. That's why he's jumping. He knows. Mr. Sami, that witness statement on court on oath, did you sign it in your own office, or you sign it in your lawyer's office?
No, not in my office. I signed it with the lawyer.
We didn't hear you.
I signed it with my lawyer, but not in my office.
In your lawyer's office?
He said he signed it
With my lawyer.
Can you calm down? Let's clarify this. Wait. You learn
He signed
what to
it in
do.
court. It's that
You
simple.
learn.
You signed it in with your lawyer. Where? The question is, where did you sign it?
I signed it
Where?
with my court, not in my office.
With your lawyer, not in your office, but in where? Where?
The court.
You answer answering in phrases. The court. I mean, the court can fly away. It's not. So you signed it with your lawyer
Yes.
at the court. Is that what you mean?
Yes. Not in my office, not in his office.
Not in your office, not in his office. So the court should take the task of finding out where it was.
If he has given evidence, he said he signed it with my lawyer in court. That is what
Don't put what into his mouth.
He said it. He said it, but what I wanted him to make a sentence, because he just said the court. I said that's just a phrase, a word he threw.
You asked him where, and then he said
At the court. My office.
That's what I wanted him to speak English. I signed it in with my lawyer in the court. So I didn't want him to say the court.
Malo, let's make progress, because the aim of the question has been
Neither is
defeated.
it our own. Yes, we
Let's
shall
make
not
progress. The aim of that very material question has been defeated. So I'll proceed.
with my lawyer. I have to write down something. A lawyer. in the court. Okay. All right.
Now, Mr. Sami,
Yes, Mr. Samuel.
as at the point of leaving the claimant, what was your position in HMD?
Spare part manager.
Spare parts manager.
Yes.
Now, when did you start working with Matrix?
April.
When did you start working with the second defendant? The
In
year.
April. After I left HMD in April. I left
April of which year?
221.
And you left the claimant in what month?
I got the notice from the claimant in 15 of December, and he gave us 3 months to hand over. So it should be in March, but we left around maybe February because he gave us a green light to leave before.
March of 2022, if I'm correct.
Yeah.
Not
Not 20.
by way of his employment letter. Even his
Nobody's bringing a employment letter. My lord, I take exception to that interference. Nobody has mentioned employment letter here. Nobody has mentioned that. I know. Are you, my lord? If Malenfe doesn't want me to conduct presentation, let's just close, because I don't know why he's jumping. I allowed him to have a field day. I didn't interrupt him.
Give me a tough time, Mobile. Leonard Senior. Give me a tough time.
Nobody mentioned employment letters here.
I remember you've always been, both of you have always been like this. In fact, I didn't know it was this particular case. I wouldn't have been bullying others to stop their cases so that we jump into the same case that has been giving all this. Okay. Yes.
They had 3 months terminal leave and he left in March. And started work with a company in April.
Are you the one giving that details?
He said it.
He said it.
Kind of demanding.
Oh my shit.
Sammy, repeat yourself.
Where
Your
did
lawyer
you
is
live?
doubting you.
Sorry. What's the answer? Question again?
What doubting you?
That you left them when?
Listen.
I got notice to leave in 15 of December.
16th of December
Yes.
or 5? Of which year?
220.
2020.
Okay.
And left finally when?
Where did you finally leave?
Around February, but I don't remember the date exactly, to be honest.
Of which year? Of the following year, if I'm correct.
After like 1 month, 2 months, something like this.
1 month, 2 months. Man.
Well, if we talked about 15th of, is it December 2020? And he left about 2 or 3 months thereafter.
Yeah,
It
that's
has to be
February or March.
2021.
Yes, madam.
Yes. So,
Something like that there. It's before the court.
okay.
It's documented. So why?
So what is your problem? Is it your case? I shouldn't ask.
And now I admit.
Thank you.
So, well, we have for 30 minutes, 30, 40 minutes.
My lord. It
Maximum.
took him 2-3 adjournment to complete his own.
You said?
I said it took him like 2-3 adjournment to complete his own.
So you want to,
I'm going to rush. No, I'll be fair. I'll be very fast now.
but we're going to do the same.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sammy.
Yes.
You deleted your LinkedIn account when we filed this case. When the claimant filed this case, you deleted your LinkedIn account. Is that correct? Yes or no?
No.
Did you delete your LinkedIn account when this matter came
my
to
lord.
court?
No.
Yes.
So if you check today, this date today, it will be there.
Yes.
What is your position on that LinkedIn in metrics?
Let me just open it to tell you exactly.
Yes.
Let's move on. Let's move on. Metrics Global is also a supplier of construction equipment, just like the claimant. Is that correct?
Of what? Can you repeat? Sorry.
Metrics Global is a competitor
Yes.
to HM claimant.
Matrix is
Yes or no?
no.
It's not a competitor. Okay. Metrics Global supply construction equipment and machines. Yes or no?
Sorry, but the question based on my job or based on Matrix? Because my job is them for agriculture.
In Nigeria, yes.
Sorry?
Yes or no?
Repeat the question. Let me understand exactly what you want.
Supplies machines are what?
Machines and constructions, equipment and machines.
Sorry, but here you mean competitor or just selling? Because they are selling
They
agriculture
supply
machines.
constructions, equipment and machines in Nigeria. Yes or no?
They are supplying agriculture machine.
Yes.
Yes, but on your LinkedIn page, where you stated you are working with Metrics, you put there that they are into construction works. True or false?
Because they are selling batteries, and batteries can for everything, for house, for machine, for
Please,
everything.
can you allow me to proceed? You are the one interrupting me.
Okay.
Allow me to proceed.
It's before the court.
It should not be allowed to be.
My lord, this is cross-examination. I'm building up foundation for a very material question to follow. I don't know why he's not. He knows why I was getting.
So
He
maybe,
knows what I'm getting and he's
maybe
jumping
the
up.
building up is taking a little bit of time.
No, that was a different question.
Because according to what he's saying on the documents, that res ipsa loquitur. Res ipsa loquitur. So maybe we ask him questions based on what all these things is confirming, and ask him the questions on that. Then in your final written address,
As a please, I've gotten what I wanted. I don't know why. Yes, agriculture, but on your LinkedIn page, you put construction. So that is enough. I wanted him to repeat it. Please calm down. Now, Sammy, you are the MD of SBA Construction Nigeria Limited. Yes or no?
Sorry, I what?
You are the MD of SBA Construction Nigeria Limited.
Yes.
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 Yes, and SBA Construction Nigeria Limited is into supply of construction works. Yes.
SBA is inactive. I just have the name.
Your company in which you are MD is
Yes.
also into construction. Yes or no?
The name is construction, but as I said, the company is inactive, and you can check from.
I'm not asking whether it's inactive or not. The SBA is into supply and construction works.
But we don't have any job in construction. Only the name of the company.
What is the object of SBA Construction Limited? What's the object clause? Tell the court.
I have the name under construction, but the company is inactive.
What do they do when you register it? What object? What job do they do when you register that company? What was the essence of registering the company?
When I registered the company, it was for my future use. And at the time I registered the company, it wasn't in operation and it was inactive. And my CAC document before the court will verify this.
Very good. When did you register the company?
Also,
2000.
I just don't want you to eat up your time, your cross-examination time. Because if that document is here, to ask questions on that is just taking away your time.
As God pleases.
I wouldn't want you to lose out.
You were still working with the claimant when you went to register the company. True or false?
Sorry, can you repeat?
You were still working with HMD when you register SBA.
Yes.
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 And that's contrary to a letter of employment who said you cannot work with anybody into the same business with your employer. True or false?
Yes.
Thank you. What is the problem? What is the problem?
Yes.
Not that you work. So those are two different things.
As I said, I registered it for my future use. And is
I'm okay, Mr. Sammy, don't worry.
Maybe I didn't hear correctly. Because what my recording is, I was still working with HMB when I registered SBA.
That's it.
Yes. Yes.
Yes, Sammy, when you left the claimant, okay, do you know one Matthew Corey?
Sorry, when I left the claimant, what after?
Matthew, do you know one Matthew Corey?
Do I know where is Matthew?
Yes, do you know him?
Yeah, I know Matthew, yes.
Who was he to you?
Who what?
What was he to you? Who was he to you?
What do you mean by a to me?
Who is Matthew to you?
He was one of the partners for HMD before.
He was your boss.
You said he was who?
Direct boss, no, the GM. Because Matthew, maybe during the years, I see him one time or two only. And for like few minutes.
Have you ever had WhatsApp chat with him before?
Yes, yes, sure.
He was one of the partners of what?
Of the claimant.
He's one of the partners of the owner for the company.
Last time I was hearing him very clearly. I don't know. I see very well.
Hmm.
Last time I was hearing him very clearly, but now it's a little bit dull.
Please speak up. Don't allow
No, I can hear you, my lord. But sometimes the sound is delayed.
I see.
You've had several WhatsApp chats with Mr. Matthew Corey before.
Yes.
Even when you left, you had chats with him.
I have one after I left, I believe.
Yes.
I remember.
It's before the court.
I
You
don't-
confirm that, yes, you downloaded some information.
before the court now. You can't. You just
Please,
you
please.
just wait before the court.
Please.
Well,
Is it your time?
It's my time. Oh, I have to
Come.
You admitted that you downloaded some information, but you claim it was not relevant.
What
Is that correct?
Because I'm going for medical.
Of any optional or active.
Three. I know I've even lost my time. Council, how many more
I'll just three
questions?
questions. Just three. And that's all.
Just three questions.
They are straightforward questions.
Okay then. Because I have a medical appointment.
I'm so sorry, madam. Yes, you admitted that the information downloaded were just normal information. Or what did you describe it?
I said I never download any information actionable or useful.
Yes, he said the information downloaded were not actionable,
Yes.
but there was a download. Can you allow him now?
Information,
I heard it.
As the court places.
documents, the document speaks for itself.
Now, your exhibit 12, letter of no objection. Remember that exhibit?
Sorry?
Letter of no objection that was issued to you by the claimant.
Yes.
Is there anywhere in the document that says you can go and work with a competitor? Is there any?
The letter of no objection speaks for
The non-objection say I can go and look for another job.
But he didn't say you should go and look for a competitor. That's what I'm talking about.
You never say yes or no.
He never says so. Thank you.
But that's not what he said. The document speaks for itself.
Kida.
I said you should go and look for another job.
But the document says you go and look for another job. And I said he didn't say she go and look for a job with a competitor.
No, I never said that. I cannot look for a job who's competitive.
I love it.
You don't.
I will die for the question.
Let's talk of professional, remove the die. But okay. Finally.
Yes, my lord, finally. Mr. Sammy.
Yes.
You were approached. Tell the court the truth. You know you're under oath. You were approached by your friends, as in parties' friends, and pleaded with you to settle this matter, which you initiated. True or false?
I didn't understand the question. I approached
Were
his
they
friend.
moved to settle this matter out of court? Yes or no?
The court tried to settle, but Matthew rejected.
Not court. Your friends intervened that two of you should settle this matter.
Who is my friend?
Your friends, your colleagues, Matthew and your friends said you
Yes.
cannot be fighting to settle this matter.
We should settle this matter. I don't understand the question, so I don't want to answer something wrong. My friend and Matthew, yes, can you repeat
Yes.
it?
Yes, your
Yes.
friend and Matthew asked both of you to resolve this matter peacefully without going to court. We withdraw the matter from court. True or false?
Matthew contacted us to settle the matter, and he asked for our lawyer numbers, and we gave it him, and we gave him our lawyer numbers, but then he disappeared. We never heard from him.
But you told this court now that what is your problem? What is your problem? Please sit down. Baby. You don't have manners.
Yes.
Yes, you were exploring settlements with the claimants in this matter. True or false?
I accept.
You were exploring, you were trying to settle. I didn't say you have settled. You were trying to settle this matter. Is that correct?
I never tried to settle with anyone. He contacted us to settle.
Yes. I now came back and said, your lawyer said you're going to win the case, so you shouldn't settle.
My lawyer never said anything, but because I know I never done anything wrong, I never stole information for HMD. So this is the reason I told him I don't have anything to be afraid or hide it. My lawyer never told me anything about winning or losing.
At the settlement before the court, you were both asked to drop all cases. Is that correct?
I don't remember for the woman from the court side, but she advised us to make it peacefully. But Matthew said no, he's going to win.
There is a sister case.
Malo, anytime the witness is trying to make sense, he interjects and confuses the witness. I don't know if my Lord is watching him. Anytime the witness is about to make a very important change, he interjects and diverts attention.
Okay.
It's,
Sometimes I need to know that.
He said there's another case.
yes.
And
And parties were trying to,
I'm on my feet, counsel.
parties were trying, I brought the issue. Can you sit down, please? Can you sit down? You only confirm, no, you only confirm what I'm saying or not. My Lord, that's the last question I have. That's the last question I have. I need to point it out because we pleaded that. That's the last question I need to ask. The parties were exploring settlement even before the mediation, and parties agreed to drop all cases between them. But
It's not correct.
he said his lawyer's fees must be paid. And I wanted to ask him that how much can he remember that he asked for, which is over and above what they're asking for in court. That's what I'm getting at. He's trying to, because he knows where I'm going to. He is the one that told his witness.
There's a sister case at the High Court, and the High Court ordered us to mediate the Lagos State Multi-Door Court House. There was an order from Lagos State from the court that we should explore settlement. This is not the avenue where settlement was. That's what I just want to.
Yes.
Okay. So he said his lawyer did not tell him that he will win this case, so he should not settle. So maybe
I wanted to
what I
find
heard.
out why did they disagree in settlement? What was the reason?
Why they did
When
not
parties have
settle.
agreed to drop all cases, parties agreed to drop all cases, true or false?
No, it's not true. Because Matthew Khoury, he said, I will
My
not.
Lord, I have to take an adjournment to go and apply for those documents because they are the official documents.
Matthew said what?
Can I continue, my Lord, please?
Yes.
Matthew rejected this to drop anything, and he told us that he's going to win the cases. And I don't know the position or the name for the woman from the court side. She was, and she was there, and he said, I will not drop anything. If you are thinking about it, you are dreaming. So not I'm the one I rejected, or my lawyer told me he will win and he wants his money or something. This is not correct.
Did you present your lawyer's fees in the settlement or not? Simple. Let me put it that way.
Yes, sure.
I have no further question.
I presented my
Lawyer's fees as a condition for settlement.
But is 1 point from like 3 or 4 points. So if you wanna mention this one, you should mention also the rest.
as what for settlement?
As part of the settlement, when parties have agreed to drop all cases, no charges, but they said the lawyer's fees must be paid.
Parties have agreed to drop all cases. The witness said, he asked the question, did you present the lawyer's fees as part
You are forcing me to go and apply for their official documents.
He said yes. That's
But the witness did not say parties have agreed to drop all cases. That's not the evidence of he's the one.
Is that what I said?
no, it's not on record. It's not even on record. Yeah, I record what I hear. Okay. Thank you. Any re-examination?
No re-examination.
Okay, thank you very much.
We'll proceed with our second.
Mr. Sami,
Yes, my lord.
they have finished with you at last.
Thank you, my lord.
You can go.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
All right. Thank you. Yes.
We'll continue with our second witness on the next.
On the next agenda, please, because I have someone to. Okay. Let us take a convenient date.
No. June, my Lord, June. You are not the one that will dictate this here. But you better know that. You are not the claimant. Please. 2001 case. What records 2025? My Lord, June or early July, my Lord.
It's even our diary that will determine. My registrar, are you busy? Okay, now that we've finished with him, do you have any other? Okay, so you have
That's
another
one.
witness. You have another witness.
Yes, just moving. Oh,
Okay.
the third week in July.
No. Vacation. July 11 is convenient. 11 is convenient.
11 is not convenient. It's convenient.
There's a holiday towards okay,
It's
June.
18th. Yes. That is the holidays.
Look, can we come on the 17th? Because that 15th, I'll be in Maiduguri. So I'll be in Maiduguri 15. So I might come back that day or the next. It's going to disrupt my movement. I have some winding up proceedings there.
You go to court in Maiduguri.
Yes, my lord. And they are winding up.
No, there's a difference.
It's lingering because I was unable to serve one of the banks. The area is volatile, so the residents refuse to go there. They can't serve.
So what are you going to do?
Substitute service.
Take care.
Well, the rules have been amended. The NDSC Act was amended that once you publish and you gazette, is enough notice.
Okay.
So that's what we're going to rely on.
All right then. So what day did you pick?
17, sir.
Okay. So this matter is adjourned to the 17th day of July 2024 for continuation of hearing.
Yes. We are very grateful, sir.
Thank you. Yes, we didn't start on the dot of time. We are sorry too. Yeah. So what is wrong with this one?
He's in Nigeria. He has to come. Which Canada? He's in Nigeria. Bring an application for him. Yeah. We'll argue it out.
If he's also present, I'll make sure.
Let me see. Through my phone.
Okay, you can join.
I joined. I sent to Matthew, but I think it's busy. So I sent to you.
I'm chatting.
I'm sure it's not. Maybe it's too late for him.
Okay, he's even supposed to be my matter.
It's like just came on now. If you were there, we have seen.
Okay, he was supposed to be online.
Yes, I gave him the code. He said he would jump, but I didn't send it. Come and pack your this, I'll be a car and go house.
Just enter this one.
But I don't know the status now because she didn't mark it. She didn't do anything.
When
Keep it
I'll
when
check
it's,
the file. Were you able to do it? Yes. I'm so hungry, like